I should have ever gone on and seen. Alright, got ourselves a nice clearing. Got some big old puddles around here, but this looks awesome for camping. Oh my gosh. Woo! We did it. Did it. I swear, both of these wheels were almost floating in the water, one of these big puddles coming in here, but we made it against all odds. I gotta say, that is definitely the craziest thing I've ever gone around and seen. But you can see, this is the kind of stuff we're dealing with right now. Lots of flood warnings and stuff going on in Minnesota, and we got really deep puddles to show for it. But here, let's look at this campsite. We've got a gorgeous, beautiful lake. Lots of opportunity. Wait, who's this dude? Why are you at my campsite, man? So, Murray got a new boat, so newsflash, this is why I go do some fishing in Murray's brand new boat. Go catch some trout. Get some camping. Dude, this is sick. Nice boat. Bang! Rich? Is it really? Yeah. Holy. Because this is an old mine pit lake, huh? Wow. That's sick. Dang! Buddy made it. Sick. Sick. That's probably one of the bigger tiller, like, this is probably one of the bigger tiller boats I've ever been in. Do you believe in, you don't believe in miracles? You got a banana? You don't need that bad omen. One of them big boys. Hell. Yeah. Uh-huh. Two boys. Ooh. What do you think? That one, that one, that one. The purple play? Alright, we're gonna try out the Berkeley Power Bait flat line. We're gonna have a drop shot setup. I'm gonna go bass fishing first. Oh, what?